Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on VLive app. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you don't understand Korean, then you can easily choose your language settings to the language of your choice on VLive so that the application will translate your language while playing a live broadcast. You can change your language settings according to your preference. Tap on the VLive application and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main homepage of VLive, tap the More button at the lower right-hand corner. You'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap on the Settings button or the Gear button in the top right-hand corner from this page, and now scroll down until you see Translation Language option. Give it a tap and choose the language of your choice from the options displayed. Once you do that, tap OK at the top right hand corner, and now the application will translate the language to the language of your choice that you've just selected. Now you can go back and try playing a video to see if it works. That is how you can easily change language on VLive application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.